You want her to fall for you, not just with lust, not just with curiosity, but with that deep, aching, beautiful hunger that keeps her thinking about you even when you're not around. You want her to crave your presence, to feel a spark in your absence, to look at you and feel something that words can't explain. But here's the truth most men miss. Making a woman hungry for love isn't about playing games or acting like a player. It's about understanding her heart, her psychology, her hidden desires. So in today's love and lust lesson, we're diving into the 9 powerful ways to make a woman hungry for love and fall hard for you. Let's begin. 1. Become her emotional oxygen. Love doesn't start in the bedroom. It starts in the mind, in those quiet, vulnerable moments when she feels truly understood. When you become the man she feels safe confiding in. When your presence makes her feel seen, not judged. When your voice soothes her when the world feels too loud. You become more than a man. You become her emotional oxygen. Ask her questions no one else asks. Really listen, not just to her words, but to her silences. Make her feel like her story, her thoughts, her dreams matter. A woman falls in love with the one who makes her feel safe in her softness. Be that man. 2. Ignite her imagination. Want to make her crave you on a soul level? Tap into her imagination. Women are mental lovers. Before they feel it in their body, they feel it in their mind. So flirt with subtlety. Send texts that leave just enough unsaid. Compliment her in unexpected ways, like telling her the way she talks turns you on more than her curves. Don't be predictable. Be poetic. Don't just tell her she's beautiful. Describe how her presence shifts the energy in a room. If you can live in her mind, you'll take up residence in her heart. 3. Let her chase you a little. Here's a truth wrapped in temptation. A woman who gives her heart still loves a little mystery. That doesn't mean ghosting or manipulation. It means you value your own time and energy enough that she knows you're not chasing out of desperation. Be kind, be warm, but don't always be available. Let her wonder what you're doing when you don't text back instantly. Let her feel the subtle ache of missing you. The key? When you're with her, be fully present. When you're away, let the silence build anticipation, not anxiety. Desire needs space to breathe. Give her room to crave your closeness. 4. Speak to her hidden desires. Every woman has a side she hides. The part of her that dreams of being kissed against the wall. Of being told she's the only woman in the world who can make you weak. Tap into that. Notice the way she bites her lip when she's thinking. The way her voice drops when she's tired and unguarded. The way she lights up when you catch her off guard with a compliment that's just a little too honest. Say things that make her heart race. If I kissed you right now, I wouldn't stop. You have no idea how hard it is not to touch you when you look at me like that. She wants to be loved deeply, but she also wants to be desired fiercely. Speak to both. 5. Slow down the physical and seduce her emotionally. In a world where everything is fast, be the man who knows how to slow burn. Don't rush intimacy. Create tension. The kind that makes her skin remember your fingertips hours after you touch her hand. Take your time. Look into her eyes longer than necessary. Let your fingers linger just a moment too long on the small of her back. Show her you want all of her, mind, heart, body, and soul. When a woman feels emotionally seduced, her physical desire becomes unstoppable. She won't just fall for you. She'll crave you. 6. Be a challenge, not a game. Women don't fall for men who are confusing. They fall for men who are confidently clear, yet not easy to win over. Be the man who knows his worth. The one who has standards, who doesn't settle, who knows what he brings to the table. Challenge her ideas. Push her to grow. Disagree with her respectfully, but don't back down just to impress her. She'll respect you more when she knows you have a spine, not just a smile. A woman falls harder for a man she has to earn. Not chase, but earn. 7. Create emotional memories. Do things that leave emotional fingerprints on her soul. Take her somewhere unexpected, not just a fancy restaurant, but somewhere meaningful. Surprise her with a handwritten note, not just a text. Ask her what scares her and just hold her hand when she answers. Emotional memories are the glue of connection. When you create moments she'll never forget, you become the man she never wants to lose. Because at the end of the day, she may forget what you wore or what you bought her, but she will never forget how you made her feel. 8. Be emotionally intelligent, not just emotionally available. It's not enough to listen. You have to understand. Emotional intelligence means knowing when to hold space and when to step back. It means reading her energy, not just her words. It means knowing when she needs advice and when she just needs your arms. It's knowing how to say, "I hear you, and I'm not going anywhere." Women fall for the man who makes emotional safety sexy. The man who says what he means and means what he says. That kind of presence, that's what makes her hungry for your love. 9. Make her feel like a queen in public and a fantasy in private. Every woman wants this balance. To feel respected in the daylight and ravished in the dark. Open her door. Defend her when she's not around. Tell people how proud you are to be with her. But when it's just you two, whisper things in her ear that make her melt. Touch her in ways that say, "You're mine and I adore every inch of you." She wants to feel safe with you and want to by you. Do both, and she'll be yours in ways no other man could imagine. Making a woman hungry for love isn't about tricks or tactics. It's about presence, intention, depth. Be the man who listens when she talks. The man who shows up when it's inconvenient. The man who touches her without needing to take. The man who sees her, not just her beauty, but her being. When you become that man, you won't just make her fall, you'll make her crave you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more weekly doses of real, raw, and romantic advice here on Love and Lust Lessons. Because love isn't a game, it's an art, and we're mastering it together. Until next time,